all fell down. Hi friends, I am Blabina, and these are my farm animals. Can you think of a song that sings about farm animals? Yes, Old MacDonald. Let's sing it. But I sometimes forget the sounds that animals make. Can you help me sing? Thank you. Blah 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 blah. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on the farm he had a chick, E-I-E-I-O, with a chick here and a chick there, here chick, there chick, everywhere, chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo here and a moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere, moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a oin here and a oin there, here oin, there oin, everywhere, oin. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh here and a neigh there, here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O, with a meow here and a meow there, here meow, there meow, everywhere meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yeah! Thank you so much for singing with me. Meow, meow. Chick, C-H-I-C-K, chick. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Pig, P-I-G, pig. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh here and neigh. Do you hear that sound? That sound means it's time to play a game! Quickly, let's make some space. Every time you hear this sound, that means it's time to play a game! It's game time! I love games. Today we are going to play sound game. What is a sound game? Great question. I will play you a sound of an animal and will give you two options, and you have to guess which animal makes that sound. Let's do it. But first, we must switch on our listening ears. Mine are on. Are yours on? Great. Now hair out of the way so we can hear well. The first sound. Listen. Ooh. Now, is it a giraffe or is it a pig? Yes, it's a pig. Say it with me. It's a pig. And again, it's a pig. Fantastic. You are really good and on your first try. Good job. But now, the second animal. Ooh! Is it a bear or a cat? Yes, it's a cat. Say it with me. It's a cat. And again, it's a cat. Yes! If you want, you can use my hand movements when you say what animal it is. Okay? Animal number 3. Listen. Ooh, 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 ooh. Is it a cow or a fish? Yes, it's a cow. It's a cow. Say it with me. It's a cow. And again, it's a cow. You are so good at this game. We have 2 more animals. Animal number 4. Listen. Ooh. Is it a giraffe or a chick? Yes, it's a chick. Say it with me. It's a chick. And again, it's a chick. Yay! Now, our last animal. Animal number 5. Listen. Oh, I bet you already know the answer, but I will still give you 2 options. Is it a bird or a horse? Yes, it's a horse. Say it with me. It's a horse. And again, it's a horse. Yay! You are so good at this game. Wow, you nailed it. I loved learning about farm animals today. Did you? That's fantastic. Don't forget, you are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. And in the next episode, we will make a wild, dangerous safari animal. We will make a lion mask. If you want to make it with me, search my name on YouTube. Spell it with me. Blabina. Now, sound it with me. Blabina. Great! You are so good. When you find my channel, look for a lion episode. And you and me can make lion masks together. See you next time! Blah blah Blabina, blah blah Blabina, blah 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 blah. Dear grown-ups, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to hear from you. Bye!